Hey, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this multifunctional pull-up and workout piece of equipment. Now, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give it a little overview? Can you tell us how long it took you to put this together? Because it does not come assembled. And can it support some serious workout? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever will this be provided to me fitness review, because I'm just here to keep it real. So let me give you some up-close information on this. The first thing, this comes in two massive boxes that are kind of heavy. When I say massive, they're about 4.5 feet long by about 8 inches by about 10 inches. And two different boxes, and total time with one person, it took right at 60 minutes to fully assemble everything. Now, it does come with all of the provided hardware, screws, nuts, bolts, all that stuff. It comes with these to, get everything nice and tight. And yeah, so right at about an hour, not too long for what you would consider a sizable piece of equipment. Height-wise, the piece of equipment is right at about, I'd say, it's close to 7 feet tall, 6.5, 7 feet tall, somewhere in that range. And then you have this powder coated. This is all powder coated steel. So this is red powder coated. I think they have a couple different color options, but this just happens to be red on black. And then you have padding here for doing what would be considered a variety of different exercises, but specifically you could do, leg lifts, a variety of different exercises. You also have a padded back. This is also adjustable, so these can go, as you can see here, up or down. All the way down. And then all the way up, depending on how high you want to go. The back also is padded. As you can see here, this is a nice padding right here with the material. Very nice, very nice. This can be adjusted so you can move this in or out depending on how far back you want to sit from this. Again, these go up and down. It also comes with these barbells. So if you have a barbell, these can be adjusted, and they have these clips right here that will make sure this does not move up or down. So you just pull the pin out, lift it up, adjust it where you want, and then use the pin to then lock it in place. So now it's locked in nice and tight. I'd say this whole piece of equipment, it's probably, I would say it's close to 100 pounds. I'd say it's about 100 pounds total assembled all together. There's a ton of different accessories that I believe this company offers. This just happens to be one version. I think there's benches and all kinds of other stuff, but this is just what was provided to me. You have some padded grips here, lightly padded, but it's definitely rubberized, mild padding grip for, let's just say, doing dips. Again, you have handles here, so if you're doing leg lifts, you can do that. You also have pull-up bars in two different positions, one here for close grip, and then you have a wide grip option here as well. Some specific measurements that might be important to you include this grip is right at 16 inches wide. The widest end of this grip is 38 inches wide. So you can kind of get an idea, what you'd be pulling up or down. The padding from here to the center is about 26.5 inches. Total width is 30.5 inches all the way from here to the very other end of that. Then from a dip standpoint, if you were using these grips, you're looking at a width of 26 inches wide there and a little bit close, about 26 inches on both here. To get an idea of the footprint width of this, you're at about 33 inches wide this way, 41 inches deep that way. To give you an idea of how much weight this thing can support, so in the example, right at about 205 pounds is being pulled up using the dips, using leg lifts. It does not rock. It definitely stays nice and sturdy. It does have padding, these hard rubber coating on the bottom on all four corners. It doesn't rock. Definitely a solid piece of equipment. So if you're looking for a multifunctional piece of equipment to do some exercises, this just might be for you. Hopefully answer any questions you might have. We'll talk to you soon.